Hi, I'm Katie Whittakin and I am a habit designer. And for years I've been helping people make adjustments to their habits and behaviors in all the major important areas of life, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. And I'm here to give you an insider tip on habits and behavior. In previous videos, I've talked about how to undo unwanted habits. And I talked about how we need a web of support to undo unwanted habits. And we need to create those threads in the four major important areas in life. And that is physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. And today I'm going to talk about the spiritual aspect. So when it comes to spiritual with undoing habits, what we're really talking about is connecting you to your values, your meaning, and your purpose when it comes to undoing an unwanted behavior. If you want to nerd out on some of the scientific research, you can look into self-determination theory, but it's this idea that when we connect with our values, our meaning, and our purpose, we're more likely to be successful with the behaviors that we want, and therefore potentially undoing the behaviors we don't want. For example, let's say one of the behaviors you're trying to undo is to quit smoking. And one of the reasons why you might want to do that is because you don't want to have the negative health effects. But it's also important to start talking about what is it that you value? What do you value in life? So step one is to really think about what is it that you value in life and write it down. A lot of people have a lot of common answers. A lot of times it's family. A lot of times it's they value being able to exercise. Sometimes they value being there for someone else. All sorts of different things people value, but a lot of times it is around family, spiritual beliefs, religious beliefs, and potentially taking care of the body or health. So in the example of wanting to quit smoking, you might value family. And you might know that smoking is impacting your health, which is going to impact the longevity of your life, which is going to impact your ability to be there for your family. And so this value is hugely supportive when it comes to your motivation in undoing this unwanted behavior. The more we can connect with our values, the better. But knowing why you don't want to do something is one level, and knowing why you want to do something is even better. So rather than I just don't want to smoke anymore, what's something you do want to do? I don't want to smoke anymore and I want to start going on daily walks. Great. Why do you want to go on daily walks? Because I value my family and I want to be around for them for a little bit longer. Great. So now it's the same value that's motivating you to not do this and to go ahead and do that. Another thing is to identify maybe your meaning in life. Why are you here on this planet? What is your purpose? What is your purpose in this life? And are you able to attain it doing this behavior you don't want to do? And is there a behavior you might want to do that would help you attain this meaning and purpose in your life? And if you ask yourself these questions and you come up with, I don't know what my purpose and meaning in life is, and that's a whole nother aspect for you to dive into. It means that you have, if you have the curiosity, you have an opportunity for a whole new door to open and discovering what your meaning and purpose in life is. If you want more information on how to apply these to your life, feel free to go to my website. It's habitdesigner.com. The first coaching session is always free. Thank you and be well.